the truck.
It has to be here somewhere. Oh!
Hello, Nia. Is something wrong?
Oh, hi, Edward. I'm looking for a covered truck. I left it here when I went to get refueled, and when I came back, it was gone.
All right, Bill and Ben. Where have you hidden Nia's truck?
Don't ask me. She'll just have to find it.
But I need that truck now. It's important. I don't want my train to be late.
Okay, then. Shall I take away the trucks I've brought for you two? What would they say at the clay pits if you came back with no trucks?
Oh, fine. I'll get it. Spoil sport.
I'm sorry about this, Nia. It's their new game. They call it Hunt the Truck.
Nobody can hunt trucks better than us.
Thanks, Edward.
The trouble with you, Edward, is that you don't like games. No fun at all. You're just boring.
The next day, Bill and Ben were down at the docks.
Hey, Ben, look at this.
Wow! I wonder where that truck is going.
That truck? That one's for Edward to collect.
Edward! This'll teach Edward for spoiling our fun. After all, nobody can hide trucks better than we can.
Oh dear, where is my truck? The Earl will be disappointed when he hears the sad news.
Oh, but it was there on that siding. I saw it, Edward. What was in it?
It was filled with all the festive decorations for the Earl's annual Christmas party at Ulfstead Castle, along with presents for the children and food for the Christmas dinner. But now it's gone.
No.
Yes, with no decorations, no presents, and no food, the Earl's Christmas party will be ruined.
Oh, sorry, Good to see a truck. I mean a coach about a train.
What's gotten into them?
Oh, where is it? Oh, it's gone. I can see that, Ben. And if we don't find it, Christmas will be ruined. No decorations. Oh, no presents for the children. And no food for the Christmas dinner. The Earl's party will be ruined. What have we done? We? What do you mean, we? It was your idea to play Hunt the Truck. No, it wasn't. Was too. Was not. Was too. Salty, Salty, have you seen a truck with bells on?
Arr! I've seen many trucks today, matey. From port to starboard there be trucks taking up the sidings by the, well, truckload. Well, if it's not here, perhaps another engine's taken it. Could be anywhere in the island by now.
The twins looked all over the island, hunting through stations, shunting yards. Even in some of their best hiding places.
Christmas truck, are you in there?
But he was hurrying and wouldn't listen.
But they couldn't find the truck anywhere.
It's probably thawed away on the mainland by now. What are we gonna do?